So today I'm excited about this review because it's some curly hair and I've been in my curly wig bag, okay? I've been loving me some good curly hair. If you guys have been seeing Megan Thee Stallion, I'll put a picture somewhere on the screen. I may go for a look like that today. I'm not for sure. She has been serving the looks. Anywho, I'm upset because I lost my unboxing for this wig, but we still gotta move. Today, I'm going to be showcasing this curly unit from Asteria Hair. I'll be sure to link all their information down below. It's going to be so easy to install this unit. I think this is going to be a 2-day review where I wear it today and I wear it tomorrow and I come back and give you guys my thoughts. So I'm going to start off by installing it, but let me show you guys how this wig looks. I did co-wash it. It comes with an elastic band that's sewed in, and then it has the traditional adjustable straps and everything. It is a closure unit, and look y'all, it comes with bleached knots. If you want some good curly hair, definitely check out Asteria Hair. I have worked with them so many times in the past, and their curly hair is goated. All their hair is very good quality, but something about their curly hair, like everything. Let me zoom in, like, child. Do y'all see this? Hairline pre-plucked, knots bleached. This already got me in a chokehold, and look, we ain't even installed it all the way, but y'all know what curly hair do to me. I'm drinking coffee. It's early in the morning. But y'all, I am beyond excited. If you are the type of person who loves to wear your wigs glueless, it lays. It definitely lays. You can choose the size cap that you want. I chose a medium, and it's fitting on my head comfortably. I have it in 20 inches, and this is 180% density. I wish I had a different color on, but y'all know I love me some black. But that's how far it falls on me. I'm 5'2", so. But you know you're getting all your inches because it, look. Two more things about this cap construction. I just got to show you guys how it's like sitting ever so comfortably by my ears. And the lace, not only is it transparent, like this is true HD. Other companies get into it. This is true HD lace, and the lace is so thin. Take a black eyeliner and just lightly shade that in. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm not doing much with this install. I really could go just like this, but I'm going to take my Eben Wonder Lace Bond. This is their melting spray. It's pretty new to the market and I love it, and y'all have been commenting telling me that you love it too. I'll link a review to it on the cards. I had all my tools out. Bitch, do y'all see that? I had all my tools out thinking that I was gonna like really lay this wig down. It doesn't need it, and I be extra. Even when stuff don't need it, I still would do the most. But with this wig, we going just like this. I don't even know if I'm gonna even do any swoops. Ciao. Where's the lace? And I didn't even use any powder, any foundation, any lace tint. I didn't do anything. Y'all seen this? I'm starting to get emotional. I didn't do anything to this lace. Y'all run. Fast, not slow. run. If you are looking for the perfect curly unit, before I even finish this review, I'm already knowing. Listen, you want something simple and easy for the summertime? Child, head over to Asteria Hair and get you one of these. So for shits and giggles, I tied it down, though it didn't need it. This is the first wig since the pandemic. It may be the second. I might be being a little bit dramatic. It may be the second, but since like 2020 when we had the lace shortage, this is the first or the second wig that I had with like immaculate lace, to where it didn't even need to all that extra melting and stuff. It didn't need it, but I went ahead and tied it down just to melt it even more. Like, it's melted to the max. Fluffed it out so you guys can see how it looks if you're that type of person who likes that like Shaka Khan, Diana Ross vibe, which, child, is me. We're going to define the curls and everything for the sake of this video, but I think what I'm going to do is go in and add a few like face framing layers and define the curls. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do that. And yeah, let's show y'all how she's looking all fluffed out. Yeah, I think she's coming to Mexico with me next month because sis is giving. And if you want to do like a flip over method or something like that, this is how it will look. If you guys are familiar with the synthetic half wig Ultra Dominican, that's what this wig is giving me. That's what this wig is giving me. Like, y'all know when I get to doing a little shimmy, I'm feeling it. So let's go ahead and finish styling this unit for today. So I'm over by my window in the natural sunlight. Now you guys know when you spray something, you're gonna see a little bit of residue. Didn't feel like correcting that too much, but tomorrow you guys will see like the final look of how I style this unit. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in the side part. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in the middle part or adjust it to a side part, but you guys will see that. This hair is about, I'll say 70% dry right now. Great, my battery is dying. I just want to show you guys how it's looking. Just want to show you guys how it's looking in the natural sunlight. It looks so good, you guys. Ugh, that lace. I feel like a Puerto Rican, okay? Yes. I'm on Snapchat because I'm extra and my charger is charging. My battery is charging from my phone. But this is how it's looking, and it's giving very much so Kelly Rowland air dry. Like, get into it. Can't tell me nothing. So pretty. Love, 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 love. Hey y'all, so this is day 2. In yesterday's video I started around like 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's the next day and it's almost 7 p.m. so I have worn this hair for 2 days, and I can tell y'all, run. Do not walk. Run and go cop this unit. Hands down, one of my favorite curly hair wigs I have tried in a long time. And the fact that I'm wearing it in the middle part, it is just giving. So I'll have all the information linked down below in my description box on this unit, along with a direct link if you want to purchase this wig. I suggest it. I have the long curly invisible HD lace closure unit, and I have it in 20 inches, 180% density. They did not skimp on the density at all or the length. I did go in and shape it just a little bit more today, and I just love it. Y'all let me know down below how y'all feel about this wig. If you were to get the unit that I have, it will run you around $230. Again, you don't have to get this length. You don't have to get the 4x4. You have an option. You don't have to get the 5x5. I had the 5x5 closure, but they also offer a 4x4, a 13x4, and a 13x6. So you have options with this unit, and you can go as short as 14 inches. I feel like I kind of cut it down to like 18 inches. So if you wanted to do 18, it should look something like this. Y'all seen it more defined yesterday. Now that it's dry, it's really fluffy and big how I like it, but you don't have to have yours fluffy and as big as this. But y'all know how I do. Big hair don't care. So I don't have much to say because I feel like this wig is speaking for itself. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concern, leave that down below in the comment section. Let me know how you like this unit. Share this video with anyone who loves curly hair. We're going to be outside this summer with the curly hair given, okay? Shout out to Asteria Hair for sending me this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.